How to make sounds longer on TikTok. First of all, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, tap and hold the capture button to record a video. After that, tap on the tick button beside. On this screen, tap on Add Sound at the top to add a sound to this video. Here, you can view all the available sounds on TikTok. Select a sound of your choice and tap on the cut icon over it. Here, you can manage the time length of the sound. You can make it longer if you want. Then tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now go back and tap on the icon as shown. Here, you can manage the length of the post as well as other settings. You can also add another video by tapping on the plus icon. Here, select the video of your choice and tap on Confirm at the bottom. Drag to make the video longer. After you're done, tap on Next at the top right corner. You can now add a caption if you want. Then tap on Post at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily make sounds longer on TikTok.